Good morning. Got a 2009 Honda Civic in the shop today. Gonna be changing the AC compressor on here. So let's get into this. It's a quick game plan. It's down there. I'm gonna be removing the alternator, and then directly underneath the alternator is like a bracket that holds on part of the tensioner. I'm gonna remove that, and then we'll have a ton of room to get this out. This is actually a pretty easy job. Right now I got this thing evacuating. I don't have one. You have to find one in the toolbox. Huh? quick check-in. Got the old one out. See, I added these caps on here, and the only reason I did that is just to keep oil from spilling out when I tilted it to get it out. Here's a new unit. It's a OEM Denso. Interesting tidbit. I've never seen a compressor come with this note before. Normally you have to pour out the oil from the old one and pour the oil out from the new one, and then put back in whatever oil you poured out from the old one. But it doesn't look like we need to do anything with this one, so we're just gonna install it. And another interesting tidbit I just seen on the OEM compressor. See these little hangers here help you mount the compressor onto the bracket. The Denso unit doesn't have them. Honestly, this is kind of sus. This looks kind of cheap. It's got a Denso sticker on it, and it says made in China. What's up with that? I thought Denso is made in Japan, but I guess not anymore. Everything's made in China now. This is all back together. Just put the belt back on. Now I got the AC machine in the vacuum cycle. And then right after that, I'm gonna charge the system and test the vent temperatures. Oh yeah, we're looking good. Those pressures are looking pretty good too. I have a big swamp cooler right in front of this car, so the ambient temperature in the shop right in front of the car is like 70 degrees, which is why the pressures look slightly low. I assure you they're good, and the vent temps are backing that up. Alright guys, another one done. This guy's gonna be really happy. He's got some ice cold AC, literally freezing. I think this thing might be slightly off, but it's definitely not in the 20s. But it definitely feels like the 30s. But thanks for watching.